Hi, I am Shomi and welcome to my channel Aishimun by Sparkle. Today I am creating this no makeup natural look and I'll try to use less products and less applicators. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Please do remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. I am using here L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour liquid foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation. Mixing it with a day cream for better absorption. Foundation quantity should be less. Here I am taking half a pump. Cream will be double of the foundation. Today I am using the Body Shop Aloe Soothing Day Cream. You can find the details in my channel for this cream. I put the link in the description box of this cream review video. Damp Beauty Blender helps to give you a natural look where brush creates a layer on your skin. My base is ready and it's looking quite natural. MAC times 9 Rose eyeshadow palette. This is like my one-stop solution product. This light pink color is not very pinkish. It will just add a tint of a very light natural pinkish skin tone to your eyelid. I am using fingertip for quick application. You may use brush also. I will use the light brown shade from the same palette. Remember not to overdo, only touch up your eyebrows. See, a little touch up is showing a huge difference. My eyebrows are looking in shape but natural. I am using Blingy Bronze from Color Bar. Bronze brown or chocolate color helps to give a natural look. Smudge a little to reduce harsh lines if any. Now what I'll do, I'll put kajal only on the outer corner of the upper eyelid. Use a good mascara to open up your eyes. Today I am using Hyper Curl from Maybelline. Maybelline New York Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick. Shade Sensationally Me. Apply in small dots. I personally don't like the formula of this liquid lipstick, but I liked the shade, so I am using it. Again, I would prefer to blend with my fingertip. Please do remember to subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to get notifications for all new videos. Please like, comment and share the video. My makeup is complete here and it's looking quite natural and fresh. I am wearing a pair of simple pearl studs to complement my look, matching with my white outfit. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Hope you like this look and you are going to try it out. Please do remember to like, comment and share the video. See you soon in my next video.